Welcome to Part 4, Advanced Editing. Here we'll cover freeze frame and pan zoom. iShowU Studio includes two tools that make it simple to create great looking explanations: pan zoom and freeze frame. These two tools allow you to draw the focus to a certain element, or in the case of freeze frame, stop everything while you provide additional explanation, like a voiceover. I recommend that you check out the manual for a more in-depth explanation, as our coverage here will be just an introduction. Freeze frame is a way to stop or pause the video for a particular duration. A freeze frame makes it look like someone pressed pause. The video just stops for some amount of time. Freeze frames are a great way to break up a complex task into pieces, allowing you to spend time explaining things to the viewer. When you freeze at a point in time, Studio will split and create static representations of whatever was in your scene at that time. For example, if we split this scene, we can see that Studio creates static images to represent the paused, split amount of time. Studio also provides the ability to insert arbitrary freeze frame objects as part of an audio voiceover. Let's take a look at another example. Here I've got some footage from a track day at the Nürburgring, and I'm just going to go to a point, choose the freeze option, and make sure that insert is also selected. And yes, my microphone is working. And then I'm going to insert some audio by clicking record. And once I'm done, you'll see that Studio has split the segment as before with a normal freeze frame, but it has split it according to the duration of the audio insert, which is another nice easy way to quickly get audio into your project. Let's move on to pan zoom. The objective of pan zoom is to draw the user's attention to a specific area of the project gently. It's similar to a Ken Burns effect, a type of effect you may have seen in iMovie. In a nutshell, a pan zoom shifts the camera focus to a given position, pauses for a duration, and then shifts it back to its original position. This shifting may also include some amount of zoom. Here is an example where I'm focusing the user's attention on the settings dialog. I have placed a pan zoom object on the timeline, close to where the settings dialog appears in my footage, and I'm expanding it out so that it ends around at the time the settings dialog disappears. The end result during playback is that the project gently focuses on what is happening with the settings dialog, and then at the end zooms out. Refer to the manual for specifics, but do understand that you can change the overall duration, you can change the in and out durations, and pan zooms can be asymmetric. They don't have to be the same at both the front and the back. Remember, help is available in the shape of a full manual. There is an iBooks version available, and that includes short videos. To download, just go to the Help menu of iShowU Studio and choose Download iShowU Studio Manual. As said before, iBooks version is recommended. Hey, thanks for watching.